How can I follow a healthy diet? Is one of the most frequently asked questions we receive. In this lesson, we discuss which nutrients are essential.
Hi there. Welcome to Human Body Tour. Today we're diving into a topic that's essential for everyone: how to follow a healthy diet. Whether you're looking to lose weight, gain energy, or simply feel your best, I've got simple and practical tips just for you. A healthy diet begins with balance. Aim to fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables, 1/4 with lean protein, and the other quarter with whole grains. This formula works for most meals and keeps your body fueled with essential nutrients. Focus on whole foods. Think fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Minimize processed foods that are often packed with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and preservatives. Whole foods provide the vitamins and minerals your body needs to thrive. Don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated supports digestion, energy levels, and even your skin. A good rule of thumb is to aim for about 8 glasses a day, but listen to your body. It might need more if you're active. Portion control is key. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if eaten in large amounts. Use smaller plates, eat slowly, and stop when you're about 80% full. Your brain takes time to register fullness, so give it a chance to catch up. Meal planning can save you from unhealthy last-minute choices. Spend some time each week planning your meals and snacks. Prep what you can in advance to make healthy eating easy and convenient. Swap sugary drinks like soda for water, herbal tea, or sparkling water. And when it comes to snacks, choose options like fruit, yogurt, or nuts over chips and candy. Everyone's body is different. Pay attention to how you feel after eating certain foods. If something makes you feel tired or bloated, it might not be the best choice for you. Your body gives you clues. Learn to read them. And there you have it. Following a healthy diet doesn't have to be complicated. Start with small changes, and over time they'll become habits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on living your best life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.